Hey students, a very warm welcome on ADA 24/7, a government job in your pocket. Today we are going to learn about the blood relation with sitting arrangement, or we can say that whenever a sitting arrangement comes with a blood relation or blood relation comes with a sitting arrangement, it provides a complicated face in front of you, but it is not in so complicated case if you know the key points that both are connected with each other. Some portion of the quotient is arranged by the blood relation and some are arranged by the blood relation. Let's have a look about the some quotient of that. Just I can see show you the one quotient. First quotient you can see on your screen. I can provide you a 1 minute timer in the screen, so I may hide myself so you can check it. I'm providing you a 1 minute timer for this quotient to attempt this. Try to solve this quotient. I'm providing you a 1 minute timer. Try to solve this as soon as possible you can. This is a sitting arrangement and a blood relation quotient. Just try to do it. There are 3 generations in the family already given. Some are facing towards center, some are facing outside the center, and there are 2 married couples, and the married couples are facing towards center. It is already given to you. Try to solve it as soon as possible you can. Time up. I hope so you all guys are done with this solution. Let's have a look about the diagram. Just do check it about the solution of this quotient. First of all, it is given that all the all the married couples, there are 2 married couples and all married couples are facing towards center, or we can say that inside of the center. It is given to you. Now it is saying that H is not a male, that means H is a female, so we make it in a circle and write on a rough sheet on a side. Next it is saying that D is a granddaughter of F. We don't know what will be the gender of F, but we know that F is having a person, a son or daughter, who is having a daughter that is named as D. Coming on the next line, 2 persons are sitting between E and sister-in-law of E. We are not confirmed about it, so we make it like a rough sketch. There are 2 peoples between E. We can assume at E as in here. We can assume E as in here. Firstly, we assume E as an inside. Secondly, we assume E as an outside. 2 persons are sit between 1 and 2. 2 peoples are sitting between E and sister-in-law of A. Here is A's sister-in-law. I can place it here. A's sister-in-law. I place it here. 1 and 2. A's sister-in-law. I can place it here as shortcut as you write, as you can understand. Coming on the next line. In the next line it is saying that H sits third to the left of son-in-law of F. We are not able to identify who is the son-in-law of F. We just highlighted this line and we are not arranging this line. We just highlighted the sitting arrangements lines as we are not able to identify this line. E is grandfather of C, who sits opposite to F. E is a grandfather of C. We are not aware about it. maternal, paternal. That means E is also having a child who is having another child C, who sits, who, that means C sits opposite to his father. His, that means C is a male person and having a father also. Maybe father is here, maybe father is here. We are not confirmed that C's father is a son or daughter of E, or son-in-law or daughter-in-law of E. We are not confirmed, so we make this diagram like this. Coming on the next line, G, who is unmarried, is only son of E. E's only son is G, and who is unmarried. It is cleared here that we erase this as an, we erase the circle. C's father is not a son of E. Coming on the next line, C is son of B. C is son of B. We can arrange B here. We can arrange B here. We are not confirmed here. Coming on the next line, G sits immediate right of B's daughter. That means B is also having a daughter. Next it is saying G sits immediate right of B's daughter. So we can write it, B's daughter is somewhere, and G sits immediate right of B. We are assuming that B is having a daughter and facing inside. Coming on the next line, or we can highlight this line by some other color, that we are not confirmed that G is an immediate right of his daughter. Coming on the next line, F faces sister of B. F faces, here I can write it, F faces the sister of B. That means B is having a sister also. Coming on the next line, C, who does not faces towards center. That means C is facing outside the center. It is cleared. Sits second to the right of brother-in-law of A. A's brother-in-law. That means A is having a brother-in-law. So here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are only 8 members in the family. So we can see that there are the F and E are the married couples, and they both are having like this, as F is having a granddaughter. So D will be arranged here. So we erase this structure from here, as we are only having 8 persons, and it is saying that A's sister-in-law. That means A will be here, and H is a female person, so H will be arranged here. Next it is saying F is mother of B. F is mother of B, so E is a grandfather and B will be arranged here. It is clear from here. Now the blood relation has completed. Now we go on the sitting arrangements. As it is given, C faces his father, and it is given to you guys that H faces inside also. H faces inside. We can mention it here. H faces inside. F is the mother of B. B, who is a sister of G. Okay. H faces inside. The blood relation is completed. Just check it by yourself. The blood relation is completed as same as you. Now A's sister-in-law. A's sister-in-law. Who is A's sister-in-law? H will be written here as in sister-in-law. H will be written here in this diagram as in sister-in-law. Next it is saying that in the sitting arrangement, H sits third to the left of son-in-law of F. F son-in-law is A. He is sitting at third place. 1, 2 and 3 not possible. Now 1, 2 and 3, that means A will be sit here. 1, 2 and 3, that means A will be seated here. 1, 2 and 3. H will sit third to the left of. If we place left here, that means A is facing outside. If we place left here, that means A will faces inside. Now consider in the statement married couples faces inside. Here it is given that married couples faces inside. As we all know that A is a married couple, faces inside. A is a married couple, he must to faces inside. He must to face inside. That means this diagram make a falsify. This is a falsify diagram. We remove this diagram. If you have any query in falsifying this diagram, just forward this just backward the video and watch it again why I falsify this diagram. Now coming on the next, F faces the sister. F faces the sister of B. The sister of B is H. Now F will be seated here. It is clear from here. So this is right information clear. And C faces his father. A is a father of C and C is faces outside. C is sitting opposite to his father. He is opposite to his father. Absolutely right here. And faces outside. These all are the right information. H faces inside, so we make this as an inside. The married couples F and E are faces inside. It is clear here. A is a married person, so here it is written down B's daughter. Who is a B's daughter? D is a B's daughter. G sits right of G. G sits right of second to the right. G sits second to the right of B's daughter. That means G sits second to the right of D. Second to the right of D. G is second to the right of D. So if we arrange here D as an immediate right, not a second, immediate right. So D and G's place values will be cleared here. And it is given here that the married people's B is a married people seated here and faces inside, and they all are faces outside. So as they are facing outside, it is given here. So the right side of G will be seated here. This is the final diagram. You all guys can check. I can remove the extra information from here. This is the extra information. We use these information to make a diagram. Now you can check it by yourself. First of all, we can done with the done with the blood relation. Then blood relation helps us to arrange the variables in a sitting arrangement. That means first of all, maybe for many of the times, first of all, maybe a sitting arrangement will be done, maybe a blood relation will be done, but both are linked with each other. Sitting and blood are both are related to each other. So I can make a neat and clean diagram for you all guys here. As E is having 3 kids, H is a sister, G is a son, and B is a daughter who is married to A, and B and A are having 2 kids, D and C. This is the final diagram. I can remove this messy diagram. You can see the neat and clean diagram over the screen. I hope so it is clear to you all guys. Just match it. If you are having any query, just ask me in a comment section that ma'am, I have a query in this question. I will revert you from there. So coming on the question, now here the question comes here. It is asking from you guys that who among the following sits opposite to the uncle of C. Let's have a look. Uncle of C, C's is here, and the uncle of C is G. Who sits opposite to G? That is E. Will be the right answer. or we can say that E is an husband of F. E is an husband of F, or a brother of A, we can say that, or a brother of no, not an husband. E is an husband of F is the only right answer. So we go with the only B option, not an E. Only B option will be the right answer for this question. I write it here, B is the right answer for this question. How many persons are sitting between A and G? Just answer me. How many persons are sitting between A and G when counted from left of G? When counted from left of G. We come on the diagram. We count left of G, as we can know that G is facing outside. The left comes here 1 and 2. How many persons are between A and G? There's only one person, and one we are having in a B option. B will be the right answer. As you all guys are having G faces outside, so the left is this side and A is sitting here. There's only one person who is D is sitting here. So the right answer for this question is a B. Again is the right answer for this question. Coming on more and more questions, watch my next session. I just tell you that I'm coming with you guys on a live in 6 a.m. early in the morning daily on Ada 24/7 official YouTube channel. So please join me on Ada official YouTube channel at 6 a.m. and if you guys want to learn reasoning from basic to high level, so join my foundation batch, which is going to start from 17th of April at 9 to 11 a.m. and so purchasing this batch, you just have to visit on ada247.com, and by applying a code Y164 you will receive a flat 30 to 35% discount on all products. This batch also, all books, test series, online live classes. Well, this batch is not only for this is a combination of all the subjects. If you are talking about the general awareness, you are talking about English, you are talking about maths, and about reasoning, your Nirja ma'am coming for you, get a batch for you, banking foundation batch. So do visit on ada247.com. I hope so you like the question. If you like the question, just hit the like button and write the query or any of the query in a comment section. Do keep sharing the link of this class and do subscribe Ada 24/7 banker channel. And if you want free books, you download the link given in a description box. So just visit on the link given in the description box, and by clicking this link you will receive all the books and study material absolutely free of cost. I hope so you guys enjoyed the session. Tata, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.